So hello and welcome guys. Today's video is going to be special because we are going to learn about the evil twin attack and we will be solely uh, focused on the practical applications rather than the theory. So before starting, this video is purely for educational purpose and all the environments and setups that I am doing here is my own. So make sure you do not mess up with the network that you do not have any authority with and anything other than educational purpose. If you misses it, then you yourself will be solely responsible for it. So let's get started. First, let me insert my adapter here. So let me connect my adapter to this VM, and now let me go to the terminal and type iwconfig, and here I can see my adapter which is in manage mode, so I'll put it in the monitor mode. Since my adapter is in monitor mode, I'm opening a new terminal here and giving the sudo permission. So now let me type a command and search for the available networks nearby. So here I can see my available networks. So I will stop the scan with Control C, and this is my network and I want to try my attack on this. So first we have to capture the handshake file, which is easy, and I have also given the tutorial in my previous video, so I will firstly go fast with that. So here I have entered the command and I will hit enter. So right now it will start monitoring the devices connected, and when a new device gets connected, you will get the handshake. And if a device is actually connected right now, then you can also instantly get handshake by deauth or by performing deauthentication, which I have also covered in my previous video. You can go there and capture the handshake. So I will wait for a new client to connect. So here a new client has been connected, but still my handshake hasn't been captured. So I will try to capture the handshake with a deauth command in my new terminal. So let me give the sudo permission here. So I will put the command here and hit enter, and after that it will disconnect the client from the network, and we have to wait until it reconnects so we can monitor the handshake. Okay, here the handshake has been captured, so you can see here. So I can just close it, and I just remember the file name, that is video YT. That's my handshake file name, that is my cap file name. So we are just gonna close all the terminal, go to a new terminal and type sudo ergeddon. So if you do not have ergeddon installed, then firstly get it installed with a simple command. You can search for the installation command anywhere. So when I hit sudo ergeddon, then this interface will pop up and we have to hit enter. It will check for all the necessary tools required. So after the checking is complete, hit enter again, and here it is showing. Here you can see which interface you want to use. So this is my wireless adapter, that is number 2, so I'm gonna choose number 2. And if your adapter is not in monitor mode, then from here the number 2 you can put it in monitor mode, while mine is already in monitor. So even though I will try to put it in the monitor, and it will say the interface is already in monitor, so I'll click enter again. Now here we have to click on this 7 option because we are going to perform evil twin attacks menu. So click on 7, and from here we will click on option number 9 because we are trying to attack with the captive portal. So let's click on 9, and it's asking, so click enter. So again enter. So after you hit enter, then you can see at the side it will scan for the available networks, and when your target network is seen, you can simply click Control C to stop it. So I'm gonna click Control C, and here my target network is at number 7, so I'm gonna select 7. So hit enter, and from here we have to choose this number 2, that is deauth airplay attack, because we already have the handshake, and click on no. Now if you want to spoof your Mac during the attack, I will click on S. And do you have already have a captured handshake? Yes, we do. So let me just minimize it and see my handshake file that I already captured. So here is my cap file. So I'm going to copy it and then into the terminal. Uh, I'm gonna say yes, I have. So it is asking me for the path. So it's my path here. So here I'll hit enter, and it is asking me if this attack found the password, then where would you like to save it? So I'll create a new, so in the magic session. Here my text file has been created, which is currently empty. So I will copy this. So I'll also show you by opening this, but this is okay. This is empty here. You can see right now. So I will copy this file and I will give this path to your Gedon. So hit enter. The path is valid and you have right permissions. Okay, hit enter. So I like to choose the English language. I'll click on one. Do you want to see the advanced captive portal? So I would prefer the normal one. So I'll click on no, and I'm going to click on continue. So after you click on continue, numerous terminals are going to open automatically. So make sure you do not click any of them wrong. So let them run. And in this terminal here, you can see the live update if anyone has connected, if the password has been cracked or not. So from my mobile, I'll show you how this looks like. So here's the network that we have created. So I'll click on connect, and when I'll click on connect, then the user will be asked to enter the password to get the internet access. So when someone enters the password, like, so I'll enter the password and click on submit. Then the password is correct. Here it has shown to the user, and in my terminal also here it shows my password is captured. So in this way the evil twin performs, and you can also see the correct password here. So you can, if you open this notepad, you will see the password here. So this was all for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel.